Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be planning the week of September 16th to the 22nd in my memory planner, and I'll be using CaressPress Walking in the Rain kit. So this is the full kit version, or format I should say, and I did purchase the extra color sampler as well as the 15mm washi, and this was the kit freebie. And then I paired this with gunmetal, I believe, from Squirrel Prints Co. Foil Bundle Confetti 2.0 or version 2. So you have your overlays, your underlays, your scripts and icons, and your bottom washi. So I would speed through putting down the base. Okay, on to spread 2. If you haven't watched my previous spread, I am filming 3 spreads in one setting right now because I'm a little behind. So anyway, I already laid down pulled my stickers and such, so I'll zoom in just a smidge. So starting off on Monday, I actually published. So last week I took a week off, and then this week, following week, I took another week off. So hopefully I won't take another, or I don't need to take another week off, but if I do, just know it's probably for my mental health at this point, because it's kind of depressing to go through multiple rejections from job interviews, and also like getting no responses from job applications as well, because I'm like, what the heck, at least don't just ghost someone if you're in touch with that person. Anyway, there's a whole ordeal, but I'll probably mention it later on. But anyway, so after that, I marked down, I dropped off packages, then I went on a walk with my dad, and then, why did I use this? I don't know. It's okay. I got a package from Chewy, which I believe was dog and cat food, if I'm not mistaken. So that was that. On to Tuesday, I designed oh my today is not. Maybe because I'm recording so many videos, but anyway. I studied, and then so many things. Oh no. No, no. Okay, so I walked with my dad again. Oh no. And then we went to BJ's after our walk. I just needed to get some fresh air, and my mom usually goes in the morning. Like, she does only mornings, really early morning walks, and I was like, I cannot do early morning walks. So my dad and I go on an afternoon walk. And then I watched Homecoming, and Dancing with the Stars was back. So that was exciting. And then it was also Mid-Autumn Festival. So I haven't done this in a long time, but my grandma, when we went to Hong Kong, gave us lanterns. So we ended up, I guess you don't really play with lanterns, but I guess it is. So yeah, we pretty much did that, and yeah. And then on to Wednesday, which has a lot of things. So starting off, I published my September kit lineup. And I did some design work. Studied. Okay. It's like going very crooked. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that one. Anyway, so after that, I packed orders, dropped off those orders, and we went to ShopRite for I don't know what. And after that, oh, I knew I forgot to do something. Okay, so after that, I had dinner with my cousin. This is a different, so last week I had lunch with my cousin-in-law, which is her sister-in-law. So yeah, she is my cousin by blood. My goodness. Hopefully that makes sense. So after that, or I forgot to mark down in the beginning of the day, that was my cousin's birthday, and I think I mentioned this a few times, but if you're new to this channel, I was supposed to be the youngest, and then my uncle decided to have kids way later in life. So yeah, he is the second youngest, and he has a little brother. So that was that. So now he's the youngest in my dad's side of the family, or second to youngest on my dad's side. So that is that. On to Thursday. Oops, totally flipped it on the wrong side. I write down that I studied and I designed. Then my dad, he loves archery now, or his new hobby is archery, so he's been going to a aviation field that has like an archery range, so I pretty much walked around that area. And let's just say my allergies were killing me the day after. It was really bad. And then I was prepping for an interview. So that was that. And then on to Friday. I published September 2nd to the 8th. And then I studied. And designed. And I had my interview in the middle of the day. And this wasn't even like, it was more of a, okay, let's see if I get an interview, and I got an interview, and it wasn't like a full-time position. It's a temporary to full-time, but they said that it's very hard to get a full-time position because they're very slow at doing things to get people from temporary to full-time. So yeah, it was like, I don't know. I said I just want a full-time position, but this recruiter insists. I'm just like, okay, fine. But yeah, nothing really happened for that. So it's fine. And then after that, I took a nap because I was just mentally exhausted. So that was that. And then on to Saturday, I studied. And I read my book, which totally put it on the wrong side. Eeks. And then I designed. And I was working on orders, but I was just mainly printing and cutting stickers for those orders. And then on to Sunday. I had a YouTube binge. And I studied. Literally, my weeks consist of studying, but after the following week, I am taking a 2-week break and then going back into studying. So, not too crazy now. Ooh. Okay, so I did some design work, and then I got a package from Amazon. I watched SEAL Team, and then I reorganized my inventory for the shop because I just needed to recount everything that was like my manufactured items, because I learned my lesson once where I oversold one item and I was like, what the heck? I usually very good with the inventory stock levels, but I don't know what happened. But anyway, that is pretty much the week in full. I hope you guys, what is getting stuck? It's like, what the heck is happening? This quarter is sticking up. Anyway, whoops, wrong week. Sneak peek. So that is pretty much the week in full. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.